and thank you for the invitation. We are very grateful to participate here. And dear graduates, I congratulations on completing your studies and receiving your degrees. Today is an important day for all of you. In Islam, knowledge is a great responsibility. A truly educated person respects their faith, loves their country, and serves the society. Many knowledge you gain to help strengthen unity, morality, and peace among people. When you return to own country or Kyrgyz Republic, we hope you will contribute to the development of your country and guide the younger generation with wisdom and honesty. Please, one more congratulations your graduation. I wish you success, a bright future. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.